Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus probability worksheet. This slide here explains what's going on in this video. I'll leave it on for a short while before I move on to the first three verses of the rap song on probability. And here are the first three verses of the rap song on probability. And here are the next three verses of the rap song. Okay, excuse me, we move on to the worksheet now. So I'll just leave that on for a very short while before I move on to the answers on the next slide. Okay, here are the answers for those two problems. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So in this video I've attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing the rap song about probability. If you found this video useful, please click the like icon and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. On the next slide you can click on the link if you need to go to the lesson that explains this worksheet. You can also click on the subscribe icon, and I'll move on to the last slide right now.